Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Thanks for tuning in. If it's your first time coming across my channel, my name is Susan Kawa. Feel free to join this amazing family by hitting the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much. God bless you. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a wig with a closure. Okay, how to make your own wig with a closure. I got this hair from AliExpress guys, inches 16 inches. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to be showing you, this is the wig guys, but I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this wig. Okay, very easy guys. You know, some people find it difficult to do this. At first I find it very difficult to do it, but now it's okay. So firstly, what I have my cap, so I'm going to be placing it on the manicure head. So after that, I'm going to be securing it with a pin round. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Guys, this is the hair. It came this way guys. The closure is actually inside, as you can see it guys. This hair is amazing. Okay, it's really soft, very light, just like the way I love this hair. Okay, just like the way I love it. I love this hair just the way it came. Okay, so yeah, that is it. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to start by the closure. Just going to secure the closure on the cap with a pin so that it will be more easier for me to go ahead and sew it with my thread and needle. Yes guys, so that's what I'm basically doing. Okay, so after securing it with the pin, I'll go ahead and take my needle and my thread just to sew it round. I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to sew it round, and after I'll go off camera and sew it and sew the rest of the closure. So guys, yeah, this is it after I finish sewing round the closure on the cap. So this is how it looks. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to go ahead and start sewing the rest of it at the back guys. Okay, so yeah, I just turn it around and I will start sewing it around. I'm going to continue the same process until I'm finished with the sewing of the wig on the cap. Okay, so until I finish sewing the weave-on, I don't know if it's actually called weave-on, or I don't know. Yeah, pardon me if I not pronounce that well. Okay, so I'm just going ahead and sew the weave-on at the cap. Okay, until I'm done sewing all. Okay, so stay tuned guys. So this is how far I've gone on the sewing. So I'm going to be showing you, and after I'll go off camera and finish the rest, and at the end I will just show you guys how I close the end. Okay, so that is what I'm going to be doing for this video, not to be too long guys. So this is the end. Okay, this is how I'm going to close the last one, and after I am done sewing. Okay, So I'm just going to show you. I'm not going to fast forward it. I'm going to show you the way I close it, guys. So I just go ahead and remove the excess one and try to close the finish. Okay, I'm just trying to finish it right now. Okay, so after I just cut off the thread and secure it very well so that it will not lose. That is all what I did at the end. So and after I'll just go ahead and put all of that together and show you the final look of this wig. I so much love this wig, guys, because it looks so beautiful and wow, I love the way the wig turns out. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and brush it, guys, and after I'll be applying a little bit of natural oil on the wig just to make it sleep the way I want it. Okay, so this is the oil I'm going to be using. It's for natural hair actually, but I just apply it on this hair. So yeah, so I try to remove the pin. I used to secure the closure at the beginning, so I'm just removing the pin. Okay, so I'm going to be removing all the pin just to turn the wig around to remove the excess cap, if I'm making sense. So just to cut off the excess cap under the closure so that the closure can take its shape. I don't know if I'm making sense, guys, but I know you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just going to grab my scissors and cut it out. So after finishing, I'll just go ahead and take my eyeshadow shaper just to remove the excess lace wig at the front. The lace, sorry guys, just to remove the excess lace at the front. Yeah, so that is what I'm doing basically, and after I'll just go ahead and brush it. I'm done with the wig, guys. This is the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. And to my old supporter, those of you that always share my video, God will definitely bless you and reward you and abundantly. Thank you so much. Until I come your way, stay blessed and bye bye.